Today we read the story Turtle Island, and we have a fun craft to go along with that. We are going to make our very own turtle out of this paper plate and some paint and some circles. So pull this out of your take-home envelope. This is your turtle craft. And inside, we can pull out our paint, all of our little turtle body parts. We have some legs there. We have a head, a tail, and then we have a bunch of little circles that we're going to use to make up our turtle's shell, because a turtle wears a shell on their back. So we have small circles, medium-sized circles, and then we have some bigger circles. We also have 2 eyes. That way our turtle can see. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our paint, and what we're gonna need for this craft is our liquid glue and our little paintbrush, this little sponge brush that went home before, and we used that to do Emily's balloon with the shaving cream and the yellow paint. So we are going to paint our turtle shell green. So let's get that in there. And here we go. I am painting. I am painting my turtle. I am painting my turtle green. I wonder if any of you happen to have a pet turtle. Did you know you could have a turtle for a pet? Sometimes they're kept in little aquariums, or sometimes they can just wander around your yard. Or have you ever gone to the zoo to see the turtles there? They have some really big ones at the zoo. Let's see if we can get as much painted around here, as much white as we can. Let's have fun with it. You can put as much or as little as you want. It's your turtle. All right. There. Now I am done painting. Now, it's going to take a little while for that to dry. So once your turtle is all dried, I'm gonna set this one aside, and I have another one here that I painted earlier. So I'm gonna use this to finish off our craft because it's already nice and dry. The next thing I'm gonna do, once your turtle is all dry, I'm gonna start adding our little circles to the turtle shell. So I'm gonna take my liquid glue, and I'm just gonna put some dots around there, and I'm gonna start with my bigger circles. Those are the big circles. So let's just put those around like that. There we go. I had 1, 2, 3, 4 big circles. Next, I'm gonna take my medium-sized circles. So I'm gonna need some more glue. Let's put some more dabs of glue around, okay? Dab, 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 dab. And I'm gonna add my medium-sized circles. Let's put one there. And let's put one there. Wherever you want to put them on the turtle shell. Let's get one over here. There we go. I want them to stick, because that's what the glue's for, right? The glue is sticky. It helps us to stick paper together. Now I still have some little circles. So back to my glue again. Dab, dab the glue around. like that. And now we can add our little circles. Can you tell me what shape that is? It's a circle. That's right. Covered all of our little glue spots. Might have done one glue spot too many. That's okay. There we go. That over. All right. Now I have my turtle shell all done. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to add my turtle's head. That's this oval shape. It's a green oval shape. So I'm gonna take my glue. I'm gonna add some glue to the bottom of my oval shape, just like that. And then it's gonna go under the turtle shell, and then we'll glue it together. And if you want, and if you have tape, you can actually turn it over and just add some tape there to reinforce it and make sure it stays. Next, we have our turtle legs. How many legs does a turtle have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we're going to add those on the sides of the turtle. So again, I'm gonna put some glue, just a little bit on the end. It's gonna go under on one side. A little bit more glue. And it's gonna go under here. Two legs here, and we're going to add these 2 legs on the other side of the turtle. I'm actually not sure if... Did you know there are turtles that live on land, and there are turtles that are sea turtles, and they can live in the water. They know how to swim. Turtles can do both. They can go in water and land. The next thing we're going to add is our little turtle tail. So we're going to add some glue there, and it goes under on the bottom. Now turtles have tails, but do we? Do you have a tail? Here we go. Let's turn this over. And I'm gonna add a little tape, just to keep it in place until the glue dries. That way it doesn't fall off. All right, the last thing that we are going to add is our turtle's eyes, and they're gonna go at the top of his head right here. 1 dab, 2 dabs, and then we're just gonna gently place them right on top. And remember, you need to give it a few minutes to dry. Just like that. And there's our friend the turtle.